Hey, what's going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of our tricep extension exercises using a dumbbell. This is going to be called a Dumbbell Tricep Kickback. I'm going to advise you on the best, most effective technique in order to perform this exercise. Now, this is a tricep extension, so we are going to focus on hinging and unhinging at the elbow, okay? It's an isolation exercise. Only one joint is going to move for the duration of that exercise. So I'm going to take one dumbbell in one arm, and the best way to do this is actually going to be in a kneeling position, okay? You can do it in a standing position, but it's more effective to do it from a kneeling position with the other hand braced on the ground. So I'm going to go knees on the ground, one hand on the ground, and I'm going to take my dumbbell. First thing I'm going to do, this is my first coaching cue for you, is I'm going to make sure my back is straight. I'm going to take that elbow and I'm going to raise it up towards the top of my back, right like so. Now that elbow is going to stay elevated the entire time. I'm going to extend that arm straight out. Second coaching cue, guys, is flex my tricep at the very top. Return back down and then extend out. As we get tired, that elbow is going to start to drop down. Make sure that they pull that elbow up, extend out, and come back down. On this exercise, when we do it, since it is a unilateral exercise, we're going to do all the repetitions with one arm, followed by all of the repetitions with the other arm. We'll almost never do an alternating variation or anything like that. If you have any issues or difficulties, really focus on coaching with touch. Make sure that you set that elbow in a proper position and try to hold and maintain that elbow in that position with your client. Instruct them on keeping that elbow position high and flexing their tricep at the top so that they really feel the exercise working where it's supposed to, okay? Anyway, guys, give those coaching cues a try the next time we do dumbbell tricep kickbacks in one of our boot camp workouts.